Akala mo impossible? You can actually be in 2 meetings at the same time. AI and Marketing class from 1 to 5 p.m. Ateneo Faculty Assembly from 3 to 5 p.m. Parehong important, nagkasabay. Normally, I'd have to choose present sa isa, absent sa pangalawa. But instead of missing out, I opened 2 laptops, used 1 big monitor, turned on AI recording tools, and I messaged both groups. Result? Nobody missed me because I was there twice. Impossible? Transform it into I am possible. Gusto mo bang malaman paano ko ginawa? Hit like and tag a busy friend. And never be absent again.